Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 24th of May. The euro rose to 129.55 against the dollar before correcting to 129.19. The pair had found strong support the previous day at 128.20 after Bernanke propped up the dollar by indicating a slowdown in quantitative easing, but that's still a very long way from healthy growth. The US dollar looks for support lower against the Japanese yen after crossing below 101.14 twice in the last 24 hours. The pair had reached a previous high of 107.70. Looking at equities are expected to rebound after yesterday's crash. Stocks may have corrected in the expectation of slowing in monetary easing. The US 500, tracking the US largest 500 corporations, moved as low as 1632 before correcting to 1651 in early trading. Looking at commodities, gold is edging higher against a weaker dollar, moving to 1396 as investors look back to safer assets after yesterday's equity squeeze. WTI crude oil tested 92.13 support for a second time in a week. Crude oil has since rebounded to 93.91. The key US energy benchmark looks set to find new direction in this afternoon's durable goods orders, hinting at a pickup in US industry. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point at 128.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 128.65. The dollar-yen pivot point at 101.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.65. The Aussie dollar pivot point at 0.9735 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9735. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 150.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 150.50. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 103.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 103.60. Now looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 94.45 with a preference to enter in short positions at 94.45. The gold pivot points at 1354 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1354. The silver pivot points at 21.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 21.95. The US 500 is at 1659 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1659. And the UK 100 is at 6645 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6645. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 8 GMT in Europe, we have the German IFO Business Climate expected at 104.6. At 8:30 GMT in the UK, we have the BBA mortgage approvals expected at 32.7 thousand. And at 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the core durable goods orders month-on-month forecast to rise by 1.6%. And our mover and shaker to end the week is the Australian dollar, which continues its bearish trend after negative data came out of China yesterday. Australian exports are expected to take a hit by lower demand for Chinese industry. The Aussie moved as low as 0.9606 against the greenback before correcting to 0.9681. Look for further downsides as the pair looks for more solid support. Thank you for tuning into our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm May24 from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.